Industries are under increasing pressure to know their customers like never before, to develop differentiated products and to expand into new markets. Today they must apply intelligence, predictions and personalization to move business forward. This puts data at the forefront of innovation, so real-time access to data has never been more important or so difficult. The elephant in the room is that today's technology is much too complex, is too expensive, and is unable to adapt to the distributed nature of data. Organizations have reached a tipping point where the effort needed to enable real-time customer experiences, advanced analytics and machine learning far exceeds the value they can create. But all of that is about to change. Introducing Molecula, an entirely new paradigm for continuous data analysis. For data engineers, the platform provides a centralized, real-time feature technology that is built for the most advanced high-concurrency analytics, machine learning and AI. For application developers and data scientists, Molecula delivers millisecond performance and continuous analysis with ultra-low latency queries. For IT and security teams, Molecula enables anonymized data sharing, reduces data footprint 10 to 100 times, and eliminates the need to pre-aggregate data. With Molecula, you can predict customer behavior and personalize user experiences in real time, diagnose patients faster and more accurately, and identify fraud and anomalies instantly. Molecula's platform is built to solve the most complex analytical and AI needs orders of magnitude faster than other technology. Unlock the power of real-time access to data with Molecula.